Compact living. I get a lot of people saying that, a house should be at least 150 square meters or 1500 square feet. No, the house should cover your essential needs plus have a little something extra. If you have a big family, you might need 1500 square feet home, but if it's just 2-3 people using the house, I'd say 700-800 square feet is good enough. And why pay for something you are not using? If you are going to buy a house, you shouldn't look at what other people are buying. Think about your personal needs and make decisions based on that. Also, any space has a tendency to fill itself with the stuff. If you have a lot of space, you buy a lot of stuff. Very often you don't need that stuff. Less space you have, excess space, less stuff you buy. But anything you buy, all the things, take at least some seconds from your life. Even the painting on the wall, you have to dust it occasionally or something. So less things you have, more time you have for yourself, for your friends, visiting family, doing your hobbies, doing the fun stuff. Do more fun stuff, buy less stuff. Very often people build big homes just to show off their status, not for the need. And that's perfectly okay if you are a millionaire. Why shouldn't you show off that you are a millionaire? But if you are not a millionaire, why show off that you are? And pay big money with interest to the banks just to show off. So you may be actually living much happier life on a smaller space. Bigger homes take much more time and money on maintenance and cleaning. Also the utility bills and mortgage and everything is more expensive on the big homes. Your needs on the housing will change over the time. When children grow up and leave the house, you need less space. So often it's better to live more tightly together for a short period than to have big space for everybody and then to think, what shall I do with it? If you go for more compact living, you still keep your choices. If you build a big house, you actually have no more choices than to service this one decision you made in the past. So as a conclusion, smaller spaces actually offer you more freedom. If you already built a big house and took the obligations in front of bank and utility companies, you have no more choice, you just have to pay it. Whether you work on 2 jobs or something, but smaller spaces, they give you more freedom, financial freedom, freedom from cleaning and maintaining your home, and that's all about freedom.